In this video, I'll show you how to make your iPhone run faster by changing a few simple settings that are usually turned on by default. These small changes can make a noticeable difference in speed and overall performance. So let's jump right in. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. The first thing we're going to enable is a small but really useful feature that helps your phone wake up faster. Scroll down and tap Display and Brightness, then turn on Tap or Swipe to wake. With this enabled, you no longer need to press the power button every time. Now, when your screen is off, you can just swipe up and your phone wakes instantly. It's a small change, but it makes your iPhone feel quicker right away. Now let's clean up your web browser, because stored data can slow your phone down over time. Go back to Settings and scroll down to Safari. Tap Clear History and Website Data. Choose All Time, select All Profiles, and confirm. This clears cached files and old data that you're not using anymore, making Safari and your phone overall run smoother. Next, let's stop apps from running in the background. Go back to Settings, tap General, then Background App Refresh. Switch Background App Refresh to Off. This prevents apps from constantly updating in the background, which uses processing power and slows your phone down. Your iPhone will now focus on the apps you're actually using. Now let's adjust location settings, another major performance drain. Go back to Settings, tap Privacy and Security, then Location Services. Look through the list of apps and change any that are set to always to while using the app or never, unless they truly need constant location access. Scroll all the way down and tap System Services. Turn off options like significant locations and routes, since these constantly track where you go and use system resources in the background. Next, while still in Privacy and Security, tap Analytics and Improvements. Turn off Share iPhone Analytics, Share iCloud Analytics, and any other analytics options. These settings collect data in the background and send it to Apple and app developers, which doesn't benefit you and can slow your phone down. Also make sure Apple Ads and any Apple Intelligence reporting options are turned off if you see them. Now let's check your storage, because a nearly full iPhone will always feel slow. Go back to Settings, tap General, then iPhone Storage. If your storage is almost full, your iPhone won't perform well. Scroll through the apps list. If you see apps you don't use, tap them and delete app. For apps you do use but take up a lot of space, tap Offload App. This removes temporary files and cache but keeps your data, and you can reinstall it anytime. Finally, here's one of the most effective steps that people almost never do. Restart your iPhone. Go to Settings, tap General, then Shut Down, and turn your phone off completely. After a few seconds, turn it back on. Restarting clears background processes, fixes minor glitches, and gives your iPhone an immediate speed boost. If this video helped make your iPhone faster, please consider liking the video, subscribing to the channel, and sharing it with someone who might need it. We're a new YouTube channel, and your support really helps. Thanks for watching.